All right, it's Tuesday, February 27th. Just following up on the SPY. I discussed on the previous video how I bought my calls down here near the blue line when it was heading, hopefully going to start to head higher. It's now started to head higher. The calls are starting to move up. I bought the 504 calls at 338. They're up to kind of 360 right now. So I can control the trade if it doesn't work out. And we're going to see if this ends up being the start of a big reversal. I talked about my bias to the upside on previous videos. You can see here we took out the low of the previous day. We're starting to bounce up in here now. We'll see if we can get through the open and turn this bar green. In some form, get a hammer bar by the end of the day. You never know for sure. We're getting back into that first bar range, which I like, which could now signal a move all the way back up to those highs. But again, this is all based on kind of the homework that I've been talking about, how on the weekly chart I'm anticipating the weekly high being taken out. I've seen 2 days pause here, not really reach their downside target. So at some point I'm expecting a move back up, and this was the first opportunity. I discussed kind of on the 5-minute chart how after that reversal bar happened here near the lows, we came down and then we had the 2 down, 2 up here near the blue line. So I bought it. And now on the 15-minute chart, I go to the higher time frame. We are starting to move up. But again, nothing is set, until the day closes. It's hard to say, what's going to develop here. But if we could fail to move down to these lower targets into this gap, that could be the start of a move up. And either we get it today with a big green hammer bar, or we might have to get a 2 down today and a 2 up tomorrow type of thing. Or maybe it doesn't happen at all. But so far, at least given this price action here, the failure, to take out liquidity, which is what I was kind of looking at the whole way. We did that and immediately reversed. That was kind of a signal to me we might be getting a reversal in that area to start in an overall uptrend. Sometimes you get momentum out of the gate. Sometimes you have to come down, take out liquidity first. So we will see what unfolds here. I can kind of treat this as a no-risk scenario. I'm going to continue to watch the 15-minute bar, but I just wanted to follow up on the SPY starting to move higher and, hoping that the daily bar gives me some kind of a nice reversal look today that follows through for the rest of the week.